Here is how to install eFootball 2024 on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily download and install eFootball 2024 on your Android device. So let's start. First of all, make sure you are connected to the internet. Then after, go to Play Store. Tap on the search bar and type eFootball. In the results, you will find eFootball 2024 by Konami in the first section. You can either directly tap on install and download the game, or simply open it, then after tap on install. Since it's a pretty large game, it might take some time to download the game depending upon your internet speed. After you complete the download, tap on play and you will be good to go. So in this way, you can easily install eFootball 2024 on your Android device. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.